Are you excited about having a new baby brother?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, like, partially,
Yeah.
but like at the same time, it's like you have two, and it's like, oh, another one. Here we go again.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Is that a yes or no? Ruff? Ruff? Good boy. Do you think it's, one, cool or crazy that mum and dad are going to have 6 boys in their family?
Cool.
Crazy, cool.
Both, but at the same time, I mean, like, I would say crazy, but I've seen families with even more, and I'm like, yeah.
Okay.
Kind of crazy.
Crazy, yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah. And last question. Are you going to volunteer to change poopy nappies?
No.
Yes or no?
Maybe sometime.
Maybe sometimes. Oh, good answer. Okay.
I would rather clean the entire house
Okay.
by myself.
No.
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 wide awake. Oh. Say hi, everybody. No, grumpy face. You're not happy today. You are not happy. the amount of times I have tried starting this vlog and failed because I've had to breastfeed or just newborn mum life, and we love it. It's so worth it. You're so beautiful. He's been fussing today. Actually, I noticed my milk supply dropped yesterday, and it was really frustrating because I could see he was trying to eat and he wasn't getting enough, and he was fussing mostly all day. Eventually got Chris to go and get formula, so we gave him 50 mils, I think, or 60 mils of formula, and that helped settle him. And then I had some sardines. I called my mom and I said to her, what can I eat to get my milk supply up? And apparently sardines, and she was right. Sardines really helped, and my milk has come back, so he's back breastfeeding. But it's good to have a bottle of formula in the cupboard for those days, because I was not expecting that, were we? We were not. He is so precious. He's already 3 weeks. Before I start cleaning this mess behind me and laundry situation, don't even look at the floors. I got sent, a friend sent me these Brookie cookies. If you're living under a rock, these cookies are really viral on TikTok. She is local to Brisbane. She has a store in Fortitude Valley, and I believe she's opening a store in Domestic Airport. Is it in the Domestic Airport or somewhere on the airport? Anyway, they are opening a store there as well. But we got our hands on 6 of these viral cookies. We are going to try them. I'm going to get the boys up to see what they think of the cookies as well. Them up and then we can taste it. Where is he? Okay, do we want to try chocolate chip walnut, double chocolate cookie, classic chalk, Nutella, red velvet, or biscoff? I don't think anyone likes biscoff. Where's biscoff? Peanut buttery, isn't it?
I have no idea.
Which one? Nutella?
Yeah,
I thought you were gonna blend it.
No, these are, they sell out apparently. There's like long lines to get these cookies.
Those are big cookies.
How many of us here?
7,
1, 2, 3,
5.
4, 5.
Okay, come try.
I'll take that one.
Take little piece.
Oh,
Good cookie.
Oh.
Very soft.
What's that cookie dough? It tastes like my cookies,
Just
just chunkier. I don't taste Nutella though.
I can taste the Nutella.
try that one.
These are like the bit over here. The little chunks of Nutella chocolate.
Not bad. These are the best cookies I've had.
Taste it.
We'll try it.
Usually red velvet's just like a lot of food coloring, but I think
Oh,
sometimes it's like more.
I can't have food
The
coloring.
original like recipe for red velvet is all like natural. People just added it later on, I think.
Oh. How do
So
I?
usually like the more red it is, like the more food
Food
coloring.
coloring.
I don't even know what red velvet. White chocolate.
I don't like it.
I think it's okay.
It's okay.
I like everything sweet, so I like it.
This is a 2 out of 10 for me.
2 out of 10, I'll give it like a solid 5 out of 10. It is very, even for me, that is pretty sweet.
Hello, it is Sunday today. We are having pizza for dinner. Chris is going to do the groceries. Baby is sleeping. It is at 12. I'm trying to sleep train him. I'm following the baby wise method, and honestly it's, yeah, letting your baby cry. I know for a little bit is good, but it really does stress me out a bit. I haven't had a baby in such a long time, so everything's like new again. Anyway, but he is doing well. He is sleeping now. He should be up in about half an hour, and then he'll do like wake time, no, feed, wake time, then sleep again. Rinse and repeat till 7, and then 9 he has his big feed, and then he goes back to bed. Frosty sleeps for an hour and a half because I am wanting to get ahead and like meal plan and get some healthy options available for the boys. The boys are back at school tomorrow, so it's their last term of the year, and yay, we made it this far. Anyway, so I've got bananas I need to use up. I want to do some banana chocolate chip muffins, and if baby's still sleeping, I'll do some chocolate chip cookies because those are really easy and I can freeze some, and then the boys can pull out and like bake them when they want. I've got the oven on already behind me. I've got eggs here that I need to use up, so I'm going to do like a healthy breakfast option. I say healthy because I'm going to add bacon, not so healthy, but I saw on TikTok this video where they did like an egg tray bake with spinach and cheese and ham and whatever you want, you kind of throw it in, and then you cut them out all into circles or squares, and you add them to your muffins and put cheese and bacon and then wrap them up, and then the boys can grab it and heat it up on like a grill press thingy, and then yeah, you can add whatever sauce you want. So instead of cereal, you know, we all know cereal's not good for you, whatever, we're trying to be healthy here, okay? So I'm gonna try this out and see. The problem with our kids is I think they like something but only for a short time, so I don't know how much of this they'll really eat, so I'm only going to do a small batch and see how it goes this week. If it is a hit in our family, then I'll do it every week, but for the time being I'm only going to do a small batch because like I said, they get bored easily. Which kid doesn't? And I've got cocoa here because I wanted to make a chocolate cake for the week, but I'm not going to get time today to do it because what I've realized is I do meal prep for dinners, for the kids' lunches, for Chris's lunch, work lunches, like breakfasty stuff, and I always forget to do lunch prep for myself. So this time Chris is like, you need to do meal prep for yourself, because then it comes lunch and I'm like, what am I gonna eat? So I'm gonna make some dal. I am 4 and a bit weeks postpartum, so I need to be still eating really well. So I'm gonna make a really nice coconut based dal, and I can freeze it. I got some freezer containers. Chris went to the shops for me, but he got freezer containers for me, just these really cheap ones from Kmart. And I'm going to do like, because I don't eat a lot, but I do need something like really hearty and fills me up for long. So I'm gonna do some rice and dal, and I want to do, if I have time, a really yummy tomato, basil, capsicum, like tray baked. I bake it, roast it all in the oven, and then I puree it into really delicious soup, tomato soup, and it's so yummy. I know it's summery here, it's going into summer and it's more of a wintry thing, soup, but I like soup, what can I say? And if I also have time, I want to make a pasta thing to keep in the freezer. So what the idea is, I'm going to meal prep for myself and have all these options in the freezer, so when I feel like the tomato soup, I can just pull out a batch and have that. That is the idea. So anyway, let's get baking before the baby wakes up. Start prepping everything for the dal so I can have that on the pot, like on the stove, ready to go, because I just heard baby like stir a bit. It's crying a little bit. I'll let the snoo do its thing, but yeah, I'm gonna start chopping up some onions. I'm gonna chop extra onions and put in a container, because throughout the week we use a lot of onions and it just makes life easier when I don't have time to like chop up all my veggies. The only thing is I've got a spare rack in the oven, and I'm thinking, should I quickly put the veggies I need for the soup into the oven? I'm going to try that. I have just put on the tomato soup and I added some chicken stock to it so it gets nice and yummy, and I've added spinach to the dal. You can't see anything else apart from that underneath, and baby is crying, so I'll be right back. It's currently 4:30 and it's taken me a lot longer to get things done with baby, and that is totally fine. Chris is now holding him, just like trying to get him to sleep. We've been trying to set a routine for him and he was really good, but I'm not sure what happened today. He must know I'm busy. So I have blitzed my soup and it's looking really good, and the dal is almost done. I've got to put the rice on and just got to get the bacon done, and I can assemble the bacon egg muffins for the boys. The banana cupcakes are done. They're in the fridge, packed and ready to go, and all I've got to do is clean up the kitchen so that Chris can prep for dinner. I have finally finished meal prepping. I've got tomato soup and dal and rice. These containers are quite handy. I might have to get a few more. Then I have done the boys' breakfasts if they want to have something else rather than cereal and oats and stuff. So yeah, all done.